Hey, Clark. Are you looking at the mobile? Look at that. Well, look at you, mister. Huh? You moving? Huh? You're just looking at it? Huh? Uh-oh. Let's get it going again. Let's crank it up. You like that? You tell me agoo. Yeah, there's that smile. Whoa. Okay. And then what happened? What do you see, huh? You gonna smile for me? You gonna give me a little smile? There's chubby cheeks, huh? There's chubby cheeks. You're getting chubby cheeks just like your brother. Hmm? Yeah, look at you, mister. You're just looking away. Oh. Let's get their... What about a smile? You give me one of those smiles. Hi. Hi. Hi, little Muppet. Huh? Was that a little smile? Was that a little one? Do you give me a little one? Huh? You give me a little one. No? Oh, sorry. I was getting in the way. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Whoa, look at you, mister. Whoa, look at you. Oh, you're going to run away. Look at those feet. You're kicking those feet. Yeah. Uh-oh. We'll wind it up again. You want more? All right, we can do more. Oh, okay. Daddy's doing it for you. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Whoa, you looking right at me. What about that big smile? You gonna show it to me? Almost, almost. Clark can say agoo, agoo. Okay. Alright, pal. We're gonna sign off. Can you say bye-bye to everybody? Say bye-bye.